Taiwan's resource recycling symbol signifying the 4-in-1 recycling program consisting of 4 reverse arrows pointing towards the center, each arrow of which represents the community public, the local government cleaning teams, the recycling enterprises, and the recycling fund. The 4-in-1 recycling program promoted by the EPA since January 1997 is a system that recycles and reuses various small-scale resource items produced by the households to the community public after household waste sorting in conjunction with the strengths of the local government cleaning teams, the recycling enterprises, and the recycling fund. The 4-in-1 policy has established a comprehensive recycling network to enable the public, cleaning teams, and the recycling enterprises to receive reasonable profits or rewards to ensure a complete cycle of the recycling system. In Taiwan, the national resource recycling rate has grown rapidly, nearly 10 times in 20 years. Such dazzling achievements are cultivated from every detail and corner of life, in addition to the cooperation between the government and the public. The National Resources Recycling Vehicles will wait for the public at regular schedules and locations, allowing the public to hand over the resources to the cleaning teams for recycling at the resource recycling days. To dispose of large furniture and home appliances, whenever a regional cleaning team or recycling company is notified, the unit will collect them at an appointed time in a designated spot without any delivery charge. The EPA is actively planning to set up collection points in public places, including gas stations, transportation stations, airports, highway rest stops, large scenic spots, and other sites to provide more convenient recycling channels for the public. The EPA has also legislated to regulate the responsibility of vendors for recycling. It has listed 14 major vendor categories to set up recycling facilities for such designated goods as waste containers, waste dry batteries, waste light sources, waste electrical and electronic appliances, etc. for recycling. Among them, Taiwan's 4 major hypermarkets have about 11,000 outlets in Taiwan, of which is the highest density in the world. These densely distributed convenience stores serve as advantageous sites to install with the resource recycling bins to facilitate the public to recycle the resources at any time. Let Taiwan thrive to become a leading country in resource recycling, to do well in resource sorting through various recycling channels and the 4-in-1 recycling program.